I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Bgmi data is safe. Open Play Games and confirm Cloud Save is synced. Once done, update Google Play Store and Play services so account switches work smoothly. Next, go to Android Settings, Accounts, and remove or sign out the existing Google account you no longer want linked to Bgmi. You do this because Bgmi binds to the Play account. Removing it clears that association. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. Interrupted syncs cause issues. Now add the Google account you want Bgmi to use. You go to Settings, Accounts, Add Account, choose Google, and complete sign-in including any two-step verification so Play Store recognizes it. Once added, open Play Store, tap your profile icon, and switch to the new account. This is how Bgmi will pick up the Play Games link. If Play Store still shows the old account, clear Play Store cache and restart the device. Then reopen Play Store with the new profile selected. Finally, open Bgmi and go to Settings, Basic, then the Google Play account linking option. You should see a prompt to select an account. Pick the new Google account and grant permissions so Bgmi can access Cloud Save. Once linked, verify your player ID and any purchases restored. If you encounter an account conflict or Bgmi still links the old account, clear Bgmi cache and data or reinstall the game, then repeat linking. Tip: keep your old account credentials handy in case rollback or support is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.